Hi, this is Kiara from Pencil, and welcome to today's video demonstrating how you can use pencil spaces in your day-to-day life. So Pencil Spaces is a platform that encompasses a variety of activities that go beyond the realm of education. This includes doing activities such as a game night with friends. So today we are going to be making a virtual chessboard. So there are a variety of different ways you can do this, but one way you can do this is using the drawing tools and shape tools found in Pencil Spaces. So I'm going to go in with the shape tool. I'm going to select the square, and I'm just going to draw a square in my space. So I can adjust the size of the square I've made, the color, or I can even fill it in. So I'm going to fill it in with black. And I've created my first square on my chessboard. So to keep all the squares the same size, I'm just going to copy and paste the square by selecting Command C to copy on my keyboard and then Command V to paste. So once the square has pasted, I can just align them side by side to create the first two squares on my chessboard. So I'm going to switch the color and outline of this square to white to resemble an actual chessboard. Now I'm going to complete the entire row. So now that I've put together the first row, I'm going to highlight all the squares, select Command C on my keyboard to copy, and then Command V on my keyboard to paste. So now I have a copy and paste of the exact row, and I'm just going to realign it and restructure to easily get the second row on my chessboard. So now I'm going to copy and paste both rows and align them to get half of a chessboard. I will do the same thing again, copy and paste, and then align the pieces to get a complete chessboard. So another way to bring a chessboard to your space is by copying and pasting an image of a chessboard off of Google. So I have found an image of a chessboard on Google, and I'm just directly going to copy the image and paste the image into my space by selecting Command V. So once the chessboard is in your space, you can move it around and adjust the size as you wish. To add pieces to your chessboard, you can do the same thing and find the images off of Google. So I have found images of chessboard pieces off of Google, and I'm going to save this image to my desktop and crop each piece out individually. Once I've cropped each piece out, I will add that to my board. So I've individually cropped each chessboard piece, and to add that to my space, I can either select Insert File at the bottom of my screen and upload the images from my desktop, or I can copy and paste the images directly into my space through my desktop. So I'm going to be copying and pasting each image. Once the image of the chess piece is made its way to my space, I can adjust its size just to make sure it fits in the square. And I can move it around to where I want to put it. So now that my chessboard is all put together, I'm ready to play with friends. So I'm going to click invite, and you can see that my space is currently private, meaning all participants I want to join me in this space have to be invited by email or name. So I'm going to type out the name of my friend I want to join me. I'm going to change the message so that my friend knows exactly what's going on in this space, and I'm going to send them an invitation to join me. So now that my friend has been invited to this space, they can come join me in this space at any time. So as you can see, my friend has made her way down to our space, and we can easily move around the chess pieces for a seamless game. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful in demonstrating how you can use pencil spaces in your day-to-day life.